This 2022 Keystone Cougar 364 BHL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Salem, Oregon 97305 and is offered for sale by Highway Trailer Sales. This new Keystone is 39 feet 3 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Driftwood interior, sleeps 9, auxiliary battery, external shower, slideout, air conditioning, water heater, TV, oven, refrigerator, microwave, smoke detector, and 81 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Keystone Cougar 364 BHL is 11,225 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Highway Trailer Sales, visit RVUSA.com.